To maximize your Stand Store's performance, you need strategic conversion optimization. This involves creating targeted audiences and configuring campaigns for maximum effectiveness. Start by creating custom audiences based on specific Stand Store interactions. These audiences allow you to target users who have already shown interest in your products. Next, create lookalike audiences for scaling. These audiences find new users similar to your best customers, expanding your reach effectively. Configure conversion campaigns with proper attribution settings and implement advanced matching to improve data accuracy and campaign performance. Now let's explore the future trends that will shape conversion tracking and optimization strategies. The digital marketing landscape is rapidly evolving. The cookieless future is driving a fundamental shift toward first-party data and server-side tracking solutions. First-party data becomes crucial as third-party cookies disappear. Your Stand Store data is more valuable than ever for targeting and personalization. Server-side tracking becomes essential for accurate data collection. This method bypasses browser limitations and provides more reliable conversion tracking. Enhanced privacy controls now require explicit user consent for tracking. Transparent data collection practices build trust and ensure compliance. The trend shifts toward multi-platform tracking across Stand Store, social media, and email platforms for comprehensive customer journey insights. Focus shifts from immediate conversions to lifetime value optimization. Track engagement across creator communities to build long-term customer relationships and maximize revenue per customer. Success in the evolving digital landscape requires balancing conversion optimization with future-ready strategies. Embrace first-party data, implement server-side tracking, respect user privacy, and focus on long-term customer value to stay ahead of the curve.